Hi guys. So I'm going to tell you how you can get QR codes to work on your new Samsung device. Because for some reason, whenever you just use your camera or any QR app, it doesn't work. It'll show you the web address, but then you can't open it up. It just turns into a blank white screen and never shows anything. That's due to a setting that's on the browser. It's not the camera, and it's not the QR app itself, because I've tried and downloaded different apps and it took me 3 days and multiple visits to the phone store, and even they didn't know. Nobody at the phone store knew what to do. So 3 days later, I finally figured it out, and I'm posting this video so you guys don't have to go through what I went through. So all it is if you go to your internet, Samsung has their own internet, and you open it up, just go to the three lines right here, hit settings. You're going to go to permissions. And then you're going to make sure that the camera is on, which was the case for me, and it still didn't work. So that's very super frustrating. But if the camera is allowed under the permissions, then you go to sites and downloads, and then you go to site permissions. 99.9% of the time, the camera toggle is going to be off. When you get a new Samsung phone, for some reason, under the site permissions, it's off. You want to make sure that's turned on. All right. And you get out of that and try it again, and it should work fine this time. Let me show you. There we go. Sometimes it's tricky. All right, and there you have it. It's not a blank white screen, and it pulled it up just fine. Here's another quick trick. If you don't want to use the internet browser that you got, you can also just go to Google Chrome, and if you're opening it for the first time, it should prompt you if you want to make this your default browser. Once you select yes, then you'll be able to use your camera and open any QR code. If it doesn't prompt you, you simply just go to settings, and then you go up, scroll up until you find apps. Click apps. Go until you find Chrome. And then there is your default browser apps. You can simply change it here. All right, I like Samsung Internet the way it's set up. All right, so there you have it. Thank you guys. I hope this helps.